What is this? My hair is dry. My hair is screaming, I need nourishment. It is giving Dragon Ball Z. My mane is giving Vegeta. Okay, but I'm not worried because Mabu Tribe has sent me their new formulated shampoo. And I'm about to try it. So it has a thicker consistency than what the previous one had. I'm loving the consistency of the product. I think it covers you more. I mean, it doesn't foam a lot, which is also okay. But it's good. I think it's doing the work. So I am happy with the product. It's doing the thing that it needs to do to the scalp. My scalp is clean, as you can see. It's giving healthy. It's giving what it needed to give, which is healthy, clean scalp. So I'm happy with the new formulated moisturizing shampoo.